bigger and bigger every day.
Parang di naman totoo yung getting bigger and bigger mo, Mars.
Mars, kaya ito nga, sumusot ang mga maluwag, pero hindi masyado halata.
Pero Mars, i-chika mo naman sa amin bilang kung napapansin nyo or kung hindi nyo napapansin, second trimester na tong si Mars Iya kahit hindi halata. So Mars, how does it feel na nandiyan ang stage ka na ng iyong pregnancy? How are you feeling?
Alam mo, Mars, well, you would know because para sa mga Mars at Mars natin dyan, isa si Cam sa mga unang nakaalam.
Yeah.
Nabuntis ako.
Hindi niya kasi pwedeng isikreto dahil magkasama kami sa dressing room.
So, ayun, I'm so happy to be in the second trimester, Mars, kasi naka-cruise control na lang ako.
Yes.
Ini-enjoy ko na lang yung paglaki ng aking tiyané.
And also, Mars, alam mo, naalala ko that we were together when you mentioned na naramdaman mo siyang unang gumalaw.
Yes, Mars. Kasi parang nasa-feel ko siya medyo pumipitik siya. Sabi ko, uy, yun naman yung isa sa mga kaabang-abang ng mga nanay, diba? Yung inaantay nila na. Kasi the first trimester, di mo alam na okay ba siya?
Meron ba talaga?
Okay pa ba siya dyan? Oo,
yeah.
You don't feel it eh. So when you feel movement, doon mo talaga malalaman na, uy, nandyan
totoo
siya,
na talaga!
Yes. Kaya ito na nga, Mars. In the past few days, I tried to document some of the best moments of my pregnancy journey. At first time ko lang din to i-share sa inyo. Kaya ito panoorin natin.
Siyempre ayaw natin masyadong mag-gain ng todo-todo. So, I really try to be a little, if there are changes that I can make in my diet, I will make them. So, bumalik na ako sa Adlay. Imbis na white rice. Kasi dati talagang Japanese rice. Wow, sarap! Pero napapasarap ng sobra yung kain ko. And because I'm in the second trimester kung saan mas mabilis na ako mag-gain, now I'm just trying to regulate it para hindi masyado because, I don't want to gain too much because it won't be healthy also for the baby. Mas mahirapan ako sa delivery. And these are things that we're trying to avoid also with gestational diabetes. So we're trying to ward these things off. So I'm trying to make healthier choices where I can, but still be happy. So Adlay, ayan, it's a change that I've made, pero happy pa rin ako. At ito, na alam ko hindi dapat ako masyado rin i-indulge. Pero ang sarap kasi niya. Lalo na meron akong na-discover na frozen croissant. So ibe-bake mo na lang siya. And you can have fresh croissants at home. So this has been an indulgence for me here at home. Freshly baked croissant.